Welcome to Lesson 4 Biology GCSE. Today we will be looking at how we can investigate the effect of pH on enzyme activity. This is required for both biology and combined science. For those of you who have the book of Biology GCSE, this is found on chapter SB1H. The book by Leslie and Kiersey. Those of you who are working with the PDF, this is not in the sample provided by Excel. So you must start thinking of buying the biology book so that you have access to all the chapters that we're going to be looking at. The PDF with the sample from Excel for combined science, it's going to last only until lesson 5. I have prepared a handout that I attached to this audio with basically all the information that I'm going to explain. So I suggest you pause this audio and you find the PDF called Investigating the Effect of pH on Enzyme Activity. So this is an example of a question that you are going to get, and it can be asked in many different ways. So it's most important that you understand the concept of setting up an experiment when you want to investigate the effect of one factor on a biological response. This applies to enzyme activity, and we're also going to be looking at other processes in plants where you are going to be investigating the effect of factors. Now, remember in lesson 3, we looked at factors affecting enzyme activity. So these two lessons are closely linked. So if you haven't understood or revised lesson 3, please pause the audio and make sure that you go over the material we covered in lesson 3.